when the energy of the incident radiation is increased by 20%, the kinetic energy of the photoelectrons emitted from a metal surface increased from 0.5 eV to 0.8 eV. The work function of the metal is what we need to find. What is the work function here? Okay. So here we know that energy E is equal to HV minus phi. And if I'm going to substitute the values at the 1 and 2, in the first case it is 0.5 eV. That means 0.5 is equal to HV minus 5. And in the case 2, again, that is 0.8 is equal to HV minus 5. That is 20% it is increase means that is 1.2 times HV minus 5. I'll consider this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. Then by equating the equation number 1 and 2, I need to balance this one. So by multiplying equation number 1 multiplied by 1.2, then we get the answer. 1.2, if I'm going to multiply for the first equation, we get 1.2 into 0.5 is 0.6 is equal to 1.2 HV minus 1.25. Then second equation as it is, 0.8 is equal to 1.2 HV minus 5. Then if I'm going to change the sign here, minus, so minus and plus, this will get cancelled. Then minus 0.2 is equal to minus 0.25. Then 5 is equal to 0.2 and 0.2, it will get cancelled, divided, that is minus 0.2 divided by minus 0.2, it is get cancelled. Then the value becomes 1. That means 1 eV. 5 is equal to 1 eV. This we can see in the option number B. Option B is the right answer.